Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make extra money without a lot of hassle? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 7 smart and easy ways to boost your income. These methods are perfect for anyone wanting to increase their earnings with minimal effort and investment. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, there's something here for everyone. Best of all, you can start most of these with little to no upfront investment. So let's get started and discover how you can make money the easy way. Way 1, freelancing. Freelancing is when you offer your skills and services to clients on a project basis, rather than working as an employee for a single employer. It's a great way to make money because you have the freedom to choose your projects and work on your own schedule. Plus, you can work from anywhere. Some popular freelancing platforms where you can find gigs include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Speaking of skills, there are countless opportunities for freelancers. If you're good at writing, graphic design, programming, or even digital marketing, there's a market for you. Other in-demand skills include web development, video editing, translation, and virtual assistants. By leveraging your expertise, you can start earning money quickly and build a portfolio that attracts even more clients. Way 2, online surveys. Online surveys are a simple and straightforward way to make some extra cash. Companies and organizations want to gather opinions and feedback from consumers to improve their products and services. They're willing to pay for your time and thoughts. Participating in online surveys is easy. All you need to do is sign up on trusted survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Once registered, you'll receive survey invitations that match your profile. Complete the surveys at your convenience and earn points or cash rewards. The potential earnings from online surveys vary, but it's a low-effort way to make some extra money during your free time. While it won't make you rich, it's a nice way to earn a little extra without much commitment. Way 3, selling products online. Selling products online is another excellent way to make money easily. Setting up an online store is straightforward with platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. These platforms provide the tools and audience you need to start selling with minimal hassle. For example, on Etsy, you can sell handmade crafts, art, and unique vintage items. If you're creative and enjoy making things, this can be a rewarding and profitable venture. eBay is great for selling a wide range of products, from secondhand goods to collectibles. Amazon allows you to reach a vast customer base and is ideal for selling both new and used products. If you don't want to deal with inventory, consider dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to stock products yourself. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, you order the item from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, who then ships it directly to the customer. This way you can run an online store without worrying about storage and shipping logistics. It's a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business and can be very lucrative with the right products and marketing strategy. Way 4, investing in stocks and ETFs. Investing in the stock market and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, is a smart way to grow your money over time. Stocks represent shares of ownership in a company, while ETFs are collections of stocks or other securities that track an index or sector. Both options offer the potential for significant returns. For beginners, starting with user-friendly apps like Robinhood, eTrade, or Acorns can make the process easier. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces, educational resources, and tools to help you make informed decisions. Robinhood is known for its commission-free trading, eTrade offers extensive research tools, and Acorns automatically invests your spare change. Before you dive in, it's crucial to do your research. Understanding the companies or funds you're investing in can help you make better choices and manage risk. The stock market can be volatile, but with patience and informed decisions, it can provide a steady stream of passive income. Over time, your investments can grow, potentially leading to financial independence. Way 5, creating and selling online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and expertise while making money. Anyone with specialized knowledge or skills can create a course. Whether you're an expert in cooking, digital marketing, photography, coding, or even yoga, there's an audience eager to learn from you. To get started, you can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera. These platforms make it easy to host and sell your courses, providing tools to create engaging content, manage students, and handle payments. Udemy is popular for its massive user base, Teachable offers extensive customization options, and Coursera is known for its high-quality academic courses. One of the biggest benefits of creating online courses is the potential for long-term passive income. Once you create a course, it can continue to generate revenue with little ongoing effort. As more students enroll and leave positive reviews, your course can attract even more interest. Over time, this can become a steady source of income, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. Way 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. When someone buys a product through your referral link, you get a percentage of the sale. It's a great way to make money by leveraging your online presence. To get started, you can join affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. Amazon Associates is perfect for beginners due to its wide range of products and trusted brand. Share a Sale offers a variety of affiliate programs across different niches, and ClickBank specializes in digital products like ebooks and software. Promoting products effectively requires a strategic approach. Here are some tips. Blogs, write reviews, how-to guides, or listicles that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Ensure your content is valuable and relevant to your audience. Social media. Share your affiliate links in posts, stories, or videos on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Engage with your audience by providing genuine recommendations and demonstrating the product's benefits. YouTube channels. Create videos that review products, offer tutorials, or compare different items. Include your affiliate links in the video description and mention them in the video. By providing valuable content and being transparent about your affiliations, you can build trust with your audience and increase your chances of earning commissions through affiliate marketing. Way 7. Renting out property or space. Renting out property or space is an excellent way to generate extra income with relatively little effort. If you have a spare room, garage, or even an entire home, you can list it on platforms like Airbnb and start earning money from guests looking for short-term stays. Airbnb is one of the most popular platforms for this purpose, offering a user-friendly experience for both hosts and guests. By renting out a room or your whole property, you can make good use of unused space and meet interesting people from around the world. Other platforms to consider include Vrbo and Booking.com. Vrbo specializes in vacation rentals, making it ideal if you have a property in a desirable travel destination. Booking.com also offers a wide reach and can connect you with travelers looking for unique accommodations. Listing and managing rentals online is straightforward. These platforms provide tools to help you create appealing listings, manage bookings, communicate with guests, and handle payments securely. They also offer insurance options to protect your property and provide support in case any issues arise. By renting out your space, you can generate a steady stream of income and maximize the value of your property with minimal effort. It's a flexible and rewarding way to make money, especially if you enjoy hosting and meeting new people. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart money-making ideas. Share your own experiences or questions in the comments below.